Hello ladies and gents, I am Jaylyn Renee. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am just going to be sharing with you guys some products that I just regularly pick up to make sure my house smells amazing. Smelling good is extremely important to me, and that goes from regular body hygiene to my home, to my room, to my clothes, just everything. I have a very sensitive nose, and I just really pride myself on having that experience of walking in my home and it smells absolutely amazing, or me walking by someone and smelling absolutely amazing. I made a trip to Target and I picked up a few new items, but I'm also going to be showing you guys some items that I just normally always keep in my house to clean and just to make my house smell good. So if you're interested in watching, stay tuned. So I'm just gonna start with what I got from Target. So I saw that Glade came out. Actually, let me just get everything out. So I saw that Glade came out with a new scent for their line. Now, to be honest, guys, I have wall plugs in almost every outlet in my house. Like, that's how serious I am about my home smelling good. But I normally use the Febreze ones, but when I saw this scent from Glade, I just went ahead and got it and picked up a few Glade plugins. So the scent I'm talking about is their Cotton Cloud Dream. How stinking cute. Now, if you know anything about me, you know by now that I am a packaging girl. So when I saw this, I was like, boom, the packaging sold me. Now, this is the air freshener. It was like $1, guys. So very affordable. But I am going to use this scent for my bedroom. Now, normally in my bedroom, I keep it very feminine. I like light floral scents that do still have a strong potency. I don't think this Cotton Cloud Dream is as potent as I usually have in my room, but it's okay because I still get like those comfy, delicate vibes. So I just want to try it out, especially since springtime is coming out. So this is my first time actually smelling it. Oh, it smells so good. It definitely smells like delicate, very airy and fresh. I love that. Now, this is obviously not going to continuously keep my room smelling good, but it is great for a refresher. Maybe after I clean my room, just spray it just to have everything refreshed. So I definitely would be using this maybe to just, you know, lightly spray on my bed or in the air. If I get done flat ironing my hair, I hate flat ironing smells, so this is definitely gonna help me with that. So I also picked up, like I mentioned, the plug-in. So the wall plug, I think this was like $1 and some change, and then I got the actual plugins that go with it. Again, I got these from Target, guys, so check your local Target if you're interested in them. But yeah, I'm going to be using this scent in my room. I usually just do the 2 outlets at each side of my bed because I want to smell something good when I wake up, when I go to bed, when I walk in my room. I just really want it to smell good. So that's a tip for you guys. Use these wall plugins. They are so like good with making sure a scent is continuous, and the longevity of a scent. When you walk in the room, you're gonna smell it. It's just gonna keep making sure that scent is recycling itself, as I should say. And I think this is a solution better than candles, even though I am a candle girl. I love my candles, but I feel like candles are more for like just in that moment, and like stuff like wall plugins are especially good for like longevity. You just always want something circulating in the air to make it smell good. So there are the wall plugs. Also, what came with the collection are the candles. So I got the 2-pack just because I'm telling y'all, I'm a super scent girl, okay? So honestly, this scent is not a usual scent that I would grab because I really do like stronger scents. But again, there's nothing wrong with switching it up, and it's just light and delicate, very feminine, something I can definitely take in my room. So yeah, I'm excited to try it, and I'll definitely update you guys and let you know how it works out. So again, I know I already mentioned plugins, but I just want to expand on plugins a little bit more. So the usual plugins that I use are the ones from Febreze, the ones that are like the double side. Now y'all, when I tell y'all this watermelon and linen together smells so good, oh my gosh, like I love this scent. It's one of their newer scents, and I am here for it. Now, I definitely especially use scents that are strong and maybe sweeter like this in bigger areas of my apartment. So I have this scent in my living room. I kind of have two parts of my living room. One of like my main living room area, and then in the back it's more like a, I don't know how to describe it, but it's just an extension of the living room. So definitely I use these since they're stronger, bolder. I use those in those bigger spaces. That way they're filled up. And what I love about the Febreze plugins is you can adjust how potent you want it. Of course, somebody like me, I either have it on the highest or the second to highest, because again, I just have to smell. I have to smell. It has to smell good when I walk in my home, and I also want others to have that experience. So definitely, if you have like a bigger space in your home, I would definitely suggest something like the Febreze one that has the two sides, and just scents that are a lot more potent. So again, with the wall plugs, I couldn't mention wall plugs without mentioning the ones from Bath & Body Works. Those are ones I use as well. I do alternate between my bedroom and my bathroom, and also my children's room and their bathroom with these. But I do love them. The scents, some of the scents do really, really well. When I want like a super feminine, super florally type of vibe in my room, or super sweet, I do go with the Bath & Body Works ones, and especially when they're on sale, okay? Because they do really well. So I think it's just kind of preference, and I do switch these out mostly between the Bath & Body Works and the Febreze ones. Like I just said, I just got the Glade, so we're gonna see how they work. But yes, use wall plugs. I think personally they are a more smarter ideal than candles if you're choosing between wall plugs and candles, because as far as longevity, these are going to do the job, and it's just going to fill the air continuously. And you can't leave a candle burning all day, all night, but you can leave these in all day, all night. All right, so of course, I'm going to just briefly touch on candles. Now, I know we all know about Bath & Body Works candles, so I won't talk about those. What I will talk about is the candles from Hobby Lobby. I have been plurging on candles from Hobby Lobby as of late. They're usually 50% off every other week. But guys, their candles, first, they last really, really long. Second, I love the packaging of them. Just very modern, minimalistic, the vibe that I love. But they smell really good, and they travel all throughout your house, guys. This scent is their vanilla and berry amber, and it just smells so good. I had this burning last month for February for Valentine's Day because of the red, obviously, and it just filled the room so well. I am using a different fragrant. I am using a different candle from Hobby Lobby this month, and it's just been doing amazing. So definitely check out Hobby Lobby. I know you guys like to go to Bath & Body Works, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, but don't sleep on Hobby Lobby, okay? All right, guys, so next I want to talk about cleaning supplies. So I think it's obvious that it's very important for you to have some form of cleaning routine. Me personally, I do a quick house clean on Wednesday. So every Wednesday I go through and I vacuum, I clean the counters. I just do the entire house, just brisking through it. I think the longest room is my kids' room, obviously, that I spend time on Wednesdays. And then on Sunday, I do a serious deep clean. I mean, taking everything off counters, wiping them down, wiping down all my appliances, mopping, sweeping, things like that. I really clean top to bottom every single Sunday. Obviously, every night I do some form of straightening up, cleaning up, putting things up. But for the most part, Wednesday and Sundays are my actual like cleaning days. Now, with that being said, it's important to know what type of cleaning supplies you want to use, period. And that depends on your housing needs, obviously. But the ones that I use, of course, I first go through with just plain disinfectant. So I do use bleach. Make sure you're using a bleach that is a disinfectant, okay? Because there's a lot of bleaches and cleaning supplies out there, but they're not necessarily disinfecting. So make sure you're reading the labels on your cleaning supplies so you know that you are actually disinfecting that area. So once I go through and just plain disinfect, I go ahead and incorporate my cleaning supplies with scent in them just for fun, okay? Well, not even for fun. A lot of them are they also are disinfectants. And, you know, you don't just want your house to smell like plain bleach. Even though some people do like that, I just prefer to have a scent on top of it, okay? So this is my holy grail, guys. I love the Scentavia line from Clorox. Like, I have everything from the wipes to the spray bleach, everything. I love this line because it just smells so amazing. So this happens to be disinfecting, but I do still, again, use just regular plain bleach first. But this is their Tuscan lavender and jasmine scent. Oh, this is my favorite scent. I love this scent. I also do love the coconut one. But guys, this takes going through cleaning my home to another level. Like, it just leaves a lasting mark. Literally, like, I do use it on Wednesday and I can still smell the scent when I walk in certain rooms that I use it in. For example, the kitchen, I can still smell the scent lingering when I walk in there, you know, the days that aren't necessarily my cleaning days. Another thing that I do when I go through and mop my floors is I use, of course, a disinfecting bleach. I also use a pod. So I use game pods for my laundry. I throw a pod in my bleach water, in my mop water, and I also use like a scented bleach, which normally the scented bleaches aren't disinfectants, okay? So make sure you're adding that regular bleach in. And then obviously I also use water to mix it all together so the floor is not sticky, but it smells so good on my floors once I mop through them a couple times and refresh them. I'm telling you, your home is going to smell amazing. All right, guys, so those are my tips that I have for you. I definitely just wanted to share some things that I use and also some tips along the way. I am wishing good smelling homes on all of you. And if you have any questions, just ask them down below. And of course, share with me what you use for your home. I might want to try it out. I love cleaning supplies just like I love perfumes and body care. I love stuff that smells good, okay? So let's make sure our homes always smell nice and fresh. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and do so down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.